Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry you haven't been around lately making videos. We were house hunting, we bought a house, we moved into our new house. I still have boxes all over me. I don't know where my blow dryer is, so I am air drying my hair this morning, so sorry about that. But I wanted to get on here and show you my September LRP order. So LRP is Loyalty Rewards Program. You earn percentage of your points back that you spend, and then you can use those points to get free products. They also have LRP only kits that take some of the products and then they reduce the price because they put them together in these kits. So today we're going to be talking about the Calm and Harmony kit, which is an LRP only kit. And the reason we're going to be talking about this kit is because I'm going to be teaching a class at T-Spressa this weekend, September 21st at 3 p.m. and I'm going to be going over stress and relaxation. So I thought this kit would be the perfect one to teach from. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the products. I'm going to show you guys all of the products in it, and then if you want to come to my class, I'll definitely go deeper. We'll go deeper. We'll talk all about the different products. The class is $10 a person and you get a roller ball, and we'll do a DIY. So you'll either make a stress less blend or a restful night's sleep blend, and you'll walk away with that. And then you can get some tea and stuff at T-Spressa. They have really good teas. I really like their lemonade as well. So something to think about. So let's get into this doTERRA unboxing. So there's a few things in here. The first up are the Serenity soft gels. These are so good. These help turn off my mind at night and help me stay asleep longer because my mind is more restful. These are amazing. You get 60 capsules in this bottle. Peace. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this before on my channel. If not, it is another amazing one. I like to roll it behind my kiddos' ears before bedtime, or I did that before we got the kids collection. Now I do Calmer behind their ears before bedtime, but I used to do Peace, and I like to do it behind my ears. And then we have a wild orange. We also got some petitgrain. Excuse me, I'm a little bit allergies and stuff from all the dust from moving. Serenity. I know I've talked about this one before on my channel. Really good. And our diffusers every night. My diffuser, my kids' diffusers. It's amazing. And then we have some rosemary, which is another great one. And I believe you can cook with this oil. Balance. Now, if you've been following me on Facebook and Instagram, I did talk about this one recently. Amazing. Love Balance. And cedarwood, another really good calming earthy oil. Really good. And lavender, of course. So these would be the oils and products I'll be talking about on Saturday at T-Spressa. We'll go more into depth on how to use them and in what ways are best to use them for stress and relaxation to help promote a good night's sleep. So if you are interested in that at all, please come join me on Saturday at 3 p.m. at T-Spressa Arcadia. And again, I'll leave the Eventbrite link down below so you can sign up. I would love to see you guys there, talk about essential oils, help you on your oil journey, have you be a part of my oil journey, and let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me. I love making these videos for you guys. I have so many great ideas now that we're in our new home. We just have to get more unpacked, but some of them I have some more DIYs. I have cooking recipes. I have a lot that I want to do, and now that we're here, I can do it. So please just consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope you guys all have a great Wednesday. Bye.